Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 24 January 2023. Today's my Viva topic is multithreading in Java. Multithreading is the main concept of Java. Multithreading in Java is the process of the execute multiple threads is the simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub process of the smallest unit of the processing. Multithreading and multi-thread are both used to achieve the multitasking. However, we use the multi-threading than the multiprocessing because threads use a share memory area. They don't separate memory or allocate in the same memory. Java multi-threading mostly used in animation, games, or other etc. So advantage of multi-threading, it does not block the user because threads are the independent and you can perform the multiple operation at the same times in a multi-thread. Multi-thread means the one time multi-thread execute the program is called the multi-thread. Multi-threading, you can perform many operation together, so it's save times in the multi-threading. Thread are the independent, so you does not affect the thread. It exception occurs to the single thread is called the multi-threading. Next is the multitasking. Multitasking is the process of the executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We have the multitasking to utilize the CPU. In these methods, multitasking can be used to achieve the two ways. It is the first is the process-based multitasking, multi-processing, thread-based multitasking, multi-threading. So next is the multi-processing. The each process and multi-processing memory as the other words process of the allocate the separate memory in the area is the multi-processing. Or next is the process of the heavyweight multi-threading. Threads are the share the same address and the space in the multi-threading. Or next is the thread is the lightweight. Cost of communication between the thread is the low in the multi-threading. However, we use multi-threading than the multiprocessing because threads are used to share the memory or the don't allocate separate memory area. Save the memory in the thread of lightweight sub process the smallest of the processing in the multi-threading. Or advantages of the first advantage of the it does not the block user the because threads are independent and you can perform the multiple operation in the same time is called as the multi-threading. You can perform the many operation together at the together is the save times in the multi-thread. Threads are the independent, so it does not affect threads are the can exception occurs in a single unit. This all about working of the multi-threading. Or multi-threading is the main concepts of the Java. This is very useful in the project. So thank you. Good night.